How to adjust the scraper belt. So first of all, we want to make sure that we're at the right rotation of the belt. We want to make sure that all 4 scraper brushes are in the middle. As you can see, it's quite tight if you have the brush over one of the rollers, so you want to pull it back until all 4 are in the middle and you've got much more slack. So this is where you want to do the adjustments. We've set this up here so the left side is very loose and the right side is adjusted properly. So you can see there's 2 fingers about an inch, maybe 2 inches, and the other side you've got about 3 to 4 inches of travel or gap in the middle there. Best way to look at this if you've got a fully built cube is from the back. So you just take 3 bolts off the back and take the whole cover off, and you can see directly inside the cube. Now loosen off the 3 bolts holding on the bearing, and once you've done this you want to adjust off the adjuster bolt on the side. There's a nut, just loosen that off, and then use your Allen key to adjust the bearing forward and backwards. As you can see, there's the top video on the right screen. You can see it adjusting there. So you just want to bring it up to the same height as the other side. So you've got a bit of play, just like a motorbike chain. You just want it to be like that, so when it does take up slack, when it's pulling on cuttings, pushing it all forward, you just want the same kind of thing there. So just bring it up so you've got a nice bit of slack on each side, and then you're good to go. Once you've done all that, you can just tighten everything back up in reverse, and that's how to adjust a scraper belt.